Hi guys, welcome back to Tracy and Brayden's art channel. I'm Brayden. I really hope you're here for art. Yes, no, maybe I will. We're doing art today. Yes, the intro. I'm wearing Nana's bracelet. But okay. Also I'm wearing the merch. Maybe if I hit 100 subscribers on 200 subscribers on any channel, I get merch. So this might be merch. If I do, I'll link it in the description, of any channel. But we are doing episode 2 of Squishy Cakeovers. So if you missed a month ago, I painted on Sophia's makeup sponges. She's still got one more, but it's not like a cake form. So this will be like the last episode for a while. If you're wondering what this is, it's the thumbnail. And also, this will be filmed in 2 days, because I'm also doing a Squishy makeovers in the same episode. I think I'll do that. I think Squishy cakeovers will just be another part of Squishy makeovers. So when I film it, Squishy makeovers, a Squishy cakeovers will be added into it. So this time I'm using my fake Poscas. For my birthday, I'm actually getting a whole bunch of Poscas that you will see on the my vlog channel, link in the description. So I don't know, because if you can remember last time, I had some trouble
really
with
see-through.
Here's a little clip right now.
So that's the problem.
Okay, so that looked really weird in the unedited version. But I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I'm going to do something spooky, because the squishy that I'm doing will be spooky. It's kind of like a pumpkin, a Minecraft pumpkin. It's stressful, so I don't know how squishy it'll be, but we'll count it. So, let's go. So, what am I going to do? I think I'll continue with red. Because, yeah, my dad's in hospital, so, oh wait, I'm taking a break on YouTube. Oh yeah, but I won't be out until, yeah. So I'm filming this, probably a few days earlier, because my dad's in hospital, so I'm taking a break from YouTube. And we're going to see him probably after dinner, so I gotta kind of be quick. So that's that. We're gonna add some. Okay, never mind. So for the bottom, do I even like this? I think I'm going for a vampire kind of look. So black on the bottom. That intro took way too long. Yeah, I'm in my bedroom because my mum's working in my Lego room. Go check out my Lego channel, link in the description. So there's one side. Now I've got to do the other. And what's good about these is these Poscas, they dry really fast. So that's good. Alright. So what's another Halloween color? Orange. We're gonna do wait, is that still a little bit? So it's got a mouth here. So I'm thinking we could do we might have to make the eyes pink. Yeah, pink. So it's gonna be like a vampire person, creature. So, what else could I add to this that makes it Halloween? I could do using orange, finally. Halloween colors are orange, black, and red, mainly. And with the Posca set, I'm like, my dad's ordered like a 15 color pack. So it's gonna be like 15 colors that I can use, because last time for my 13th birthday I got not that many colors, but this time I want a lot of colors. I don't know how I like this. Like, it's alright, but not really liking it. Comment down below if you like it. So here's the finished thing. This isn't the end of the video. You'll probably see me on the weekend, probably on Saturday or something. So here it is. It's got red, orange, black, and then pink. I have so many spiders in my room. I've decorated my room for Halloween. Go watch
Some different angles. So here,
I sound real weird for some reason. I don't know why. Don't know how. Okay, I'm not gonna do this again. I will not say that's it for this video, guys, because we will see you when I get that Minecraft thingamajiggy and I will work on the thumbnail. So see you then. Guys, I'm just editing and I'm actually going to make it a 2-part series. So, part 2 will be me doing the squishy part. So, if you enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you in part 2, which will be next week. Bye!